Experiencing internet connectivity issues with your Rogers or Xfinity modem? Don't panic. Rogers and Xfinity are separate providers, each using its own modem hardware. Rogers typically uses Aris models, while Xfinity uses Comcast-branded ones. However, the troubleshooting steps we'll cover are generally applicable to both. Start with power cycling, the simplest solution for temporary glitches. First, unplug your modem from the power outlet. If applicable, also unplug the coaxial cable. Then wait for 30 to 60 seconds. This allows the capacitors to fully discharge and reset the device's memory. Finally, plug everything back in. This often resolves about 40% of connectivity problems by refreshing the connection to your ISP. If power cycling doesn't work, consider a factory reset. This restores the modem to its original out-of-the-box settings, erasing any custom configurations like Wi-Fi passwords. Be aware that it will disrupt your home network and require reconfiguration. Locate the reset button, typically a small pinhole on the back of the modem. Use a paperclip or similar object to press and hold the button for 10 to 30 seconds until the modem lights begin to blink. Before troubleshooting manually, check for modern features. Rogers Ignite gateways now include AI-driven self-diagnostics that detect and fix issues like signal interference without user input, based on 2025 firmware version 2.3 releases. Similarly, Xfinity's X5 pods and gateways have integrated machine learning to predict outages. After a factory reset or when setting up a new modem, activation and configuration are essential. Use the Rogers Ignite app or Xfinity X5 app to activate your modem. You'll need your account details for this process. You can also use web portals like My Rogers Account or xfinity.com for activation. These platforms guide you through firmware updates and speed tests. Check that the coaxial cable connection is secure. Position your modem in an open area, away from potential sources of interference to ensure optimal performance. Use tools like Ookla Speed Test to verify your internet speed and ensure everything is working correctly after setup. For Rogers, ensure the modem is in bridge mode if using a separate router. For Xfinity, consider using X5 pods for better mesh Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. To prevent future problems, perform regular power cycles every few months. Avoid frequent factory resets as they can reduce your modem's lifespan. Also, maintain signal integrity with SNR above 30 dB for stable cable modems. Both providers now feature virtual assistants in their apps for guidance. By 2025, AI tools analyze usage patterns to preempt issues. For example, Xfinity's proactive network defense can predict modem failures up to 48 hours in advance.